So guys, we're gonna play this Hot Wheels series. And this is the cars that we need. With this more cars. I gotta get the other car, the other car. No, this one. This one is what I'm looking for. Look at it. Look at it.
Ang magsakitan sa isa't isa?
See, he's gonna go in the elevator and the first.
Oo siya. Gusto na. Sitayo na kayo dyan.
And this. Second.
Hindi na ako galit. Basta, huwag na kayong mag-away uli, ha?
Opo, nanay.
Basta, maghugas na kayo. Manang halian na.
Then this goes not there. There. Then this goes for
Magdasal muna.
Jesus.
Salamat tayo sa grasya at pinagkaloob sa atin ng Panginoon. Hindi lahat ng tao ay nakakain tulad natin. Hirap ng
Gonna
pagdating.
get out. Then go to the hamburger there. Well,
Ang
this
aming
is
hinala yata ang pinakamagandang babae na aming nakita ni Kuya. Madalas nga ay inihahambing namin siya doon sa mahal na birthday ni Kuya.
Two fries, I want two fries.
go here, go there. It's in then
Ngunit kaiba sa birthday niya
down.
ay hindi naman santa. Lalo't kami ni Kuya ay naging anak niya kahit wala naman siyang asawa. Magkaiba rin ang aming ama ni Kuya.
Good Lord, Phil.
Go
What on earth are you and that kid doing here?
here,
Tyler, please.
go here,
We just came from the hospital. Nakakahiya man.
then
Pero kinakabalan ko na ang aking mukha. Your son is very sick. And I cannot afford the medicine that he needs.
No. He's not my son. All right? You need to leave.
Look at him. Look at his face. You can deny him all you want, but he is your own flesh and blood. Kaya
So,
obligasyon
guys.
ko pa rin na tulungan mo ako sa kanya. Please. Please. Sagipin mo naman si Eduardo.
Here. Take this. Look at me. Look at me. Don't you bother me again. You hear me?
everything
Hindi
was
to sapat.
you can see it.
Hindi to sapat, please. Tyler, your son needs proper treatment. Ayoko nang humingi kayo, lalo na anak mo si Eduardo.
I don't care. All right? I don't want nothing to do with you or that. All right? You need to stay away from me. You understand? You need to stay out of my life.
Sinusang ako sa'yo. Kahit kailan hindi ka namin gagawalain pa. Hanggang sa huli kong hininga. Magkapaan ka sana. Tayo ng mga anak.
Bakit tayo niyo po pinulaning anak, nanay? Kamukha ko naman po siya, hindi ba?
Tunay na nakuha ni siya. Ngunit wala siyang kwenta at pabaya siyang anak na huwag kang tutulad sa kanya. Tama na ang iyak. Kaya na.
Kulang araw ah.
Magmula nga noon, ay hindi na humingi pa ng tawad sa ama na kain.
This goes here.
Parang isang yun sila unang panahon. Yun nga yun, alam ko.
Ang aking amang si Julio naman ay nakilala ni nanay matapos niya noong maipanganak si Kuya.
Nanay, narito na po si tatay!
Ang aking anak.
So, this is watching the video, guys. Wait, dog. Rocky, my dog. Hot dog. Hot dog. Stop it!
Wala naman.
Come on. Let's go.
At ang mga process
This
na
is-
ito,
So, this is it at the
sa naging isa,
nation videos.
Pilipina ang aking
So, bye-bye!